One of the most powerful aspects of Custodian CMMS is its scheduling feature. The maintenance scheduler is used to generate maintenance events. Events can be set to happen just once, or they can be set to recur as frequently as necessary. You don't have to create each event individually. That would be far too time-consuming. Instead, you just create a schedule. It's then the schedule's job to generate an unlimited number of events based on those schedule settings. So let's get started by creating a new schedule. In the left menu panel, select Maintenance Schedules, Create New Schedule. This is the Maintenance Schedule Details page. Enter a descriptive name for your new schedule. Select the type of schedule. Schedules can be applied to an asset or to an area, site, or location. For this example, we'll make it a site schedule. Provide the details of the work to be completed. Be thorough. Provide as much instruction as possible. Set the start and end dates. For weekly or monthly schedules, we recommend you schedule events no more than 1 year in advance. Scheduling too far into the future would create an unmanageable number of events. Set the pre-maintenance window. An event can only be marked as complete after the pre-maintenance window. For example, if the pre-maintenance window is set to 3 days, work on that event cannot be started any earlier than 3 days before the due date. Set the frequency, the period, and the maximum number of repeats. Be sure to click Save when you're done. You have just created a maintenance schedule. Come back to this screen anytime you want to view or edit the details of a particular schedule. The next step is to apply this schedule to a specific asset, area, site, or location. In this example, we chose a site as our schedule type, so we'll continue and we'll apply the schedule to a site. In the left menu panel, click Locations, then View Edit Sites. View the details of the site that you want to schedule. In the Maintenance Schedules card, click the Add Schedules button. A modal will pop up. Select the desired schedule from the drop-down list and click Add. You can apply multiple schedules, but for this example, we'll only apply one. Custodian will take a moment to generate all the events of the new site schedule. For more events, this may take longer. Now you'll see the schedule has been applied to this site. If you mistakenly applied the schedule, just click Delete. This will unapply the schedule and delete all related events that were created. So far, you've created a schedule and applied it to a site. In the background, Custodian generated the actual events. So let's take a look. In the left menu panel, click Issues Events and then View Events. This displays every event in your Custodian database. By default, the earliest events are listed first. You can easily find the events you're looking for by typing a keyword in the Search Records field. You can search for any word to narrow down your list. Now, the final step is to assign events to a user. We recommend only assigning events in the near future, a few weeks or a month at a time, because employees' schedules and availability may change. To assign events to a user, click the event in the list. You can multi-select by holding Ctrl or Shift, and then click Assign Selected in the card header. A modal will pop up. Select a user from the drop-down list and click Assign. The assigned user will receive an email notification that an event has been assigned to them. They can also see events that are assigned to them within Custodian CMMS. In the left menu panel, they can click Issues and Events, Work Assigned to Me, then they click the Events tab in the card header.